I'm going to address all those real estate rules that are supposedly affecting our business. So starting August 1st in New Jersey and August 17th, everywhere in the real estate world in the US, as a buyer's agent, you're not allowed to show homes until you have a buyer's agency agreement with your clients in place. In that agreement, number one, you have to specify how much you are charging your client for your services as a buyer's agent. Number two, in the past, there was a little line that said in the MLS, in the description for the agents, how much commission the seller is offering to buyer's agents. This line, this paragraph was taken away completely. There cannot be any mentioning of the commission that's offered towards the buyer's agents anywhere in the MLS. Another thing is you can put different kinds of requirements. For example, one of my clients 2 weeks ago told me, Dagmara, I don't want you to show me homes in a flat zone, but I don't understand what this fuss is about. I've seen so many weird videos and agents talking about it ad nauseum, which is just crazy because they are doing that to get attention. But it's really very simple. So when somebody comes to see an agent and an agent explains to them, this is how much I charge, just in case the seller doesn't cover my commission, just sign here. Of course, you have to explain everything to them, but I think it's all for the better. Only because why would you waste your time showing gazillions of homes to somebody who doesn't see the value in the services that you provide? It's like a very straightforward cooperation, right? It's gonna take a little time to get used to it, but anyway, cheers to our buyers agency agreements and great cooperations with our buyers.